Hello friends, is your car running rough, losing power, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0429, you're in the right place. This error code is related to the secondary air injection, or SAI system, which helps reduce emissions. Ignoring it can lead to failed emissions tests and poor engine performance. In this video, I'll explain what P0429 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0429? The P0429 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Control A Circuit High. The secondary air injection or SAI system pumps fresh air into the exhaust system during a cold start. This helps to burn unburned fuel and, reduce emissions. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, monitors this system using pressure sensors, valves, and relays. If it detects a high voltage issue in the control circuit, it triggers the P0429 code. Common symptoms of P0429 include check engine light, CEL, turning on rough engine idle during cold starts, decreased acceleration performance, unusual noise coming from the air pump, and of course, a failed emissions test. The secondary air injection, or SAI system, consists of multiple components, and their locations depend on your car's model. The secondary air pump is usually located near the front bumper or in the engine bay. The SAI check valves are found between the air pump and the exhaust manifold. The SAI pressure sensor is located near the intake manifold or close to the air pump. The SAI relay and fuse are typically inside the engine bay fuse box. The wiring harness for the SAI system runs between the SAI pump, pressure sensor, and ECU. Here's an important tip. Sensor and component locations vary by vehicle. Always refer to your service manual for exact details. The most common causes of the P0429 error code include the following. First, a faulty secondary air pump. A malfunctioning pump may send excessive voltage, which can trigger the code. Second, wiring issues in the SAI circuit. Corroded or damaged wiring can cause a high voltage reading. Third, a defective SAI pressure sensor. If the sensor sends incorrect signals, it can lead to P0429. Fourth, stuck or clogged check valves. Carbon buildup can block airflow, causing pressure issues. And finally, a bad SAI relay or a blown fuse. If the relay is stuck in the on position, it can create a high circuit voltage. So how do you fix P0429? Well, let's dive into the steps you can take to resolve this issue. Alright, let's get started with the step-by-step instructions to tackle the P0429 error code. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0429 code and check for additional fault codes. Step 2. Locate the SAI pump and listen for its operation during a cold start. Step 3. Inspect the SAI pressure sensor and its wiring harness for any damage. Step 4. Test the SAI check valves for proper airflow. Clean or replace them if they're clogged. Step 5. Check the SAI relay and fuse in the engine bay fuse box. Replace them if necessary. Step 6. Finally, clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and take your car for a test drive. The P0429 error code can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling, and failed emissions tests. If you see this code, make sure to inspect the secondary air injection system, check the wiring, and test the sensors. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0140, O2 sensor circuit, no activity detected, bank 1 sensor 2, and P0141, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, bank 1 sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.